Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So onto music, we want a track that we like. My favourite record at the moment, which is on everything, Home Sweet Home by the Favours. You'll see at the bottom there, that's the screen. If I click play on this, you'll see there at the bottom the two little symbols. If I click on there, iPhone speaker or Jaguar XF, and it even shows you the volume that it will play at on the Jaguar XF. So if I set this properly, any audio that's playing on my iPhone 15 will play through the speakers and the Meridian speakers in this Jaguar XF. So the speaker system is fantastic. So I'm going to click play here. So that's playing. I go over to the media system and you'll see there on the home screen, media off. That's the radio. We need to change it to Bluetooth. So we click on source and you've got there radio and Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Change it to Barry's iPhone there. That's how you stream audio. So all that's possible through Bluetooth, through your phone, so long as you've got Apple CarPlay wired through that adapter. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.